Hi everyone. Sadly, my multimeter died. Actually, you probably know it from my videos. It have a problem. Okay, this thing fell off so bad. I think these things just fell from it. Um, it have the problem while I'm switching from these things. It turned off. That problem is from a year like this. From a year ago, but I kept using it in this way, for I don't have any option until now. For I really needed it to measure a small transformer, and it completely died. On this thing, 600 amps, it works without problems, I think, but I don't know how precise it is. On this thing, it don't work at all. Here it measures the 60 amps, but it don't measure the amps, actually just show a value, and it's completely it's actually um, continuously becoming higher until it gets into OL, that probably protection or something. Here on hertz it works, but I don't know how good. And here on temperature and impedance or capacitors, it just measures the voltage. And the main thing is that some of these things, actually these transistors from here, died, and I can't really find them now, and I don't know if this thing will work after that transistor replacement, so I buy another one. Okay, now I buy this one. This is not from the same Habotest um, corporation or something. It's not from same manufacturer. Okay, it's this one is from UNI-T. I want to see what's inside and unbox it here with you to show you what's inside and how it works, but I can't really unbox it in this way, so I need something from here. Okay, found the screwdriver. Take this thing without ripping it, and here we go. It have a protection, actually, this thing. Let's see what's inside now. Okay, some batteries. Okay, I don't know from where are they, but yeah, I hope they are good. Okay, says 24A. I don't know if this value is for amps or something, but yeah. Here I have the actual multimeter. Okay, here I can feel more strong spring than the other one, and here I have some things. I'm curious. Probably these are categories for the cables. What cables I should use with it. But I'm curious if this thing can measure the voltage from this thing, from this clamp from here. And I like on this one I have this negative and this positive sign, so you probably can know in that way how it works, how the current flows. Yeah, sorry for this retarded delay. Okay, here I have its cables, and how I should open this. Oh yeah, stupid me. Okay, this things looks like the other one and says on them 10 amps, but I will don't use with amps. Okay, and Why here shows category 3 600 volts and on this thing is category 4 600 volts and category 3 1000 volts, and on this one says category 2 1000 volts. What's wrong? Actually, I don't think I will use it at this voltage, but yeah, for from what I know, this thing can go up to 1000 volts, but on DC current, not on AC. So yeah, I don't think I will use it at this value. And here, warning: do not remove serial number, product from yeah, Poland. Yeah, I think this is made in Poland. I don't know how this thing is made in Poland. Actually, on the box says UNI-T technology China, but probably this thing is made in Poland. I don't know. Okay, on the box it made in China, and I don't like that, to be honest with you. But that's it. I hope this thing is better for, it's more premium than the other one I had in the past. Now I want to open this thing to put the batteries on and to make a test with it. I don't really have something to measure now, but I should find something. And I want to actually show you how this thing works. And I hope it's better than the other one that died. And the first problem is that I can't get this screw off from here. Why is like this? Okay, I really like these things and these claims from here, and I hope they will don't break that quick. But it's not like I'm changing the batteries every time. Okay, I opened it accidentally. Let's seal the batteries and make some test with it. It looks the same, but actually almost the same. But I don't know how it works, actually, to be honest with you. For it's my first time when I'm having a UNI-T multimeter like this one. For actually that one was my first multimeter, and I will need to check all the buttons what they do, but probably I will read the user manual or something, for I want to know what they are doing, not to test it with current or something, for I can broke it. Yeah, I know that. Okay, now it can measure AC voltage, right? I will plug these things and let's see how it is working. And sorry this delay in my conversation with you, but yeah, this is today. Okay, now I need to go closer to my socket and let's measure. What's wrong? Oh, it's amps. Yeah, sorry. Now it's on voltage. Yeah, I probably don't need to do this. It's better if I don't do this. Okay. I like there is a sign that shows me that I have voltage on it, but okay, I am also having voltage on this one if I'm touching with one hand. For this one have another filter on it than that LPF filter, and I hoped that will don't affect my experiments, but I probably will don't do much things on this one. Okay, it works, and I can see something, and I will show you. And this is just from the ground, straight ground, and my finger. Here down, I don't know if you can see. Probably not. Probably now you can see. Yeah, right here. Is that a bar that indicates something when I'm touching this thing? But it don't updates that fast. So yeah, probably it's not better for any shocks. Here I have DC current. I don't have anything here to measure it. Oh no, I have my amplifier power supply. Okay, let's plug it. And now let's measure this thing. Oh, it's again on amps. Oh, here is, yeah, sorry for this thing. For on the other one, I have some other marks on it, not these ones. But yeah, I hope I need to change my mind with these things and to learn how to use this thing right. How I should set. That's frequency and that's DC current, yeah. Okay, it's the same sheet like the other one here, and yeah, it works. And I really like this graph from down here, but I can see that it kinda works a little bit faster than the other one. It's just my opinion, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Maximum voltage is this one, but okay, it's not. Oh, right, the maximum voltage is that when I'm touching that other thing. Yeah, I'm not sure how to use minimum and maximum. Okay, and here I have impedance, I think. Yeah, kilo ohms, mega ohms. And let's see, this is my impedance, I think. Let's see how close to zero it can get. 0.0 ohms. Okay, it's set it good, but here it's, yeah, I'm not sure what this thing does, but yeah, it go straight to 0.0 ohms. That's good. Let's see, here I have, okay, this is conductivity for diodes probably. Oh no, this is diode. That's just conductivity. And here I have capacitor, but sadly I don't have any capacitor on here. Now it goes again on impedance. This is the temperature, but I don't think, oh my gosh, I have this thing for temperature. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce the word right. Okay, I want to see if this thing works. For it's impressive for me, I think. But from what I know, this thing works from impedance, so it don't work straight on my fingers. I can't really open this thing. And sorry for I'm making you to wait like this, but I'm kinda nervous at unboxing this thing, and my English starts going too bad, I think. And I really want to show you things in these videos. Okay, and here we go. Here I have yeah, it knows what it says here. I don't know. It don't enters. Why? And why it's something that, okay, I don't know. Okay, it now works. And here I have the temperature, I think. And let's see if it is right. Yeah, I don't know what value it should appear here in this way, but it seems like it is working. And this thing from here should measure this temperature. I will blow air on it to see if this value will decrease. Let's put it just on this surface from my power supply. Yeah, it's probably right. I don't know. I don't have any other way to measure this value. But I don't like this thing. Is kind of forest here. It's not like these things that can go that easy. And I don't like this thing, but yeah. Okay, now let's move to frequency. I want to see if there I have frequency with filter or... Okay, so this one is not the single one that detects current into air. So probably there is a thing in my house straight to my setup for... Yeah, I can show you, I think. This is how it measured that frequency. Just into air. But now I want to put this thing into the socket. And yeah, now the frequency is stable. So probably I can't really show to you that harmonics on this thing. Or probably the other one just don't measure that good for you now know the state it is in now. And this NCV thing, I don't know what it is. But I want to see here the frequency. Is the same thing? No, on this I don't see anything from the air. So probably this works only if I'm connecting it to live power. Yeah, this is on live power, this is on air. So probably here I have that filter and here I have it without any filter. But I like it says that frequency, that stable frequency on the same mods, probably same have a filter on it, I don't know, but I showed that to you in that videos with other multimeter that I have here. That frequency bumps aren't showed, so probably this is just my died multimeter failure. Here I have some warnings and warranty conditions. Warranty period is 24 months. Yeah. Okay, but this formulary is not completed with anything, so yeah. And here I have operating manual. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Here I have all the things that I need. Contents overview, open case inspections, technical specifications. Yeah, I will probably read this entire book, but not on the video. Yeah, overview. I don't think I need this now. I just want to see what these buttons are making. Dual isolation, what? Where is that symbol? Dual isolation, yeah, I don't know where is that symbol. Grounding, AC. Oh, probably these are common symbols. So yeah. Okay, here we go. Here I have some functions. Let's see. One, high voltage prompt. Yeah, it's probably high voltage for a body to touch it. Battery low percentage. Yeah, there is a battery here. And 3, relative value prompt. So if I'm okay, this thing works probably only on impedance. Yeah, probably this is what it says rel here, relative. For auto showdown prompt, this is auto. Data hold prompt. Ah, okay. DC signal, AC signal, yeah, I don't need it. Diode, circuit on off, measurement prompt, yeah, that's conductivity, what I said. Auto range prompt, what's that? Oh, auto. Max minimum measurement, yeah, non-contact AC voltage sensing prompt. What is that non-contact AC voltage? Okay, I need to search on the internet that thing, but after this video, for now I want to finish this video. Okay, it have something here, and I want to press that button. Probably LED or something. Frequency conversion measurement. Where is VCF? Oops. Temperature unit. Okay, I need to. Okay, here I have real specs. Real specs here. Let me show you. Here I have range. This one is not measuring from that 6000 amps. It's just for 60 and 600s. Oh, probably this one is from 6. My battery is running low right now. Where I can find a charger? Oh, here I have one. Surprisingly, my flash turned off, or I am running low on battery on this thing. Let's see. It is charging, but the flash is still off. Okay, never mind, I will continue this video without any flash. Probably it needs to charge a bit. Accuracy, here I have the total accuracy for these measurements, and I have overload protection, and that should be working, I guess. Display current, okay, don't need frequency response, the measurement accuracy on non-sinusoidal wave variability frequency current should be 4% than form. Okay, that will be a problem, I guess, for me, for I'm not measuring every times, just sine wave signals. But yeah, DC for this motor only, for amps, and should be deleted by key 0. DCI base number, what is that? Okay, I really need to find things on the internet after this video is done. And I hope it's not a problem that my camera shows these artifacts here, and here it shows more good. And yeah, it's the same thing from the other distances. And here I have volts and accuracy to measuring volts, and here is the maximum voltage that I can get on it. Yeah, probably, and that's just on AC voltage. Okay, here I have DC voltage. Display voltage true value applicable for range, voltage input impedance, frequency response. Oh, probably this is yeah, and here I have input resist impedance. Okay, probably this DCI is for amps on DC, and these things from here are for this thing. Okay, so this frequency response is not good for me, for it's designed to be used only on 50 or 60 hertz in the most way to works good, and actually for from actually amps measurement, yeah, my English is bad now, I know, and for voltage from 40 and 400 hertz, and that's a bad thing, very bad thing for me, for usually I use these things to measure my audio amplifier outputs. So Yeah, I hope there is not the case now. And I hope I can still use the other multimeter somehow for these measurements, for this is a problem if I can't really use this thing. But I want to make a test with this thing just on the amps to see if I can measure a higher frequency power from my amplifier. Resistance, yeah, I don't mind these things now. And here I have something for frequency. Range here straight on the frequency is from 10 Hz to 1 MHz, but there probably is a problem for on the voltage. I probably can't measure this high frequency. Okay, this thing is only on this model, and accuracy on NCV, LED buzzer indication. Okay, I need to know what NCV means, but this is a task for me to do off camera. So now I want to measure some frequencies from the amplifier, actually some power from the amplifier on several frequencies. So for this thing I will use a song here. I hope it's, yeah, I know this song is not copyrighted, for I've used in the past. Okay, now let's plug my amplifier. For now I have other amplifier here, but I will use it. And first thing first, I want to see. Okay, I really like this thing. I can set it on 0. Somehow. Yeah, I don't know how to measure these things. And what's happening? Oh, I have here an LED. Okay, I need to press it longer. And here I have for this screen. And hold, it's holding this thing, this value. But now I set it on AC and I need to unplug. Okay, I charged this thing a little bit, and yeah, I can't really unplug it now. I need this flashlight. Now I need a way to show to you things here. Okay, I think it's good enough, but my camera quality is bad now, for I'm not using that the other camera, the other phone actually. So here I have set it on AC auto frequency. So I will put this thing here from my amplifier output, for it's an old amplifier, but it still works and it's very good. I think I should do something. Okay, okay, probably now it see it better. Let's see. Why the music started? Okay, now I want to measure an up-tempo song on this thing, for it have a lot of various frequency ranges. So let's see. It's just my subwoofer connected without any filter. Yeah, I don't really like how it measures amps on music. So now I will try to use just a static sine wave of 50 Hz firstly. exercise on this thing. That was 50 hertz. And now let's switch to 100. I don't have any other multimeter to show other values to you. Now let's go to 1000, straight to 1000 hertz for this thing. Okay, I can hear some distortion coming from this amplifier from its transformer. And I kinda like it. Okay, I will have some fun with this shit later. Let's go to multiplied by 60. Okay, let's just go to straight to higher value here. I want to go okay, still get that buzzing at powering it on, and some values on the multimeter, but it clearly can't handle these frequencies. So it's not good for high frequency measurements. Okay, that buzzing noise don't seems to be coming from my amplifier. I have a jack from my monitor, so probably it is monitor fail. I want to check that on the other amp. Yeah. Here in this configuration I have also a tweeter and my ears now are bleeding. So I really hate how this sound is now. Wait, it's worse now. Okay, I need to check these things later, but now I want to go to 40 hertz. I can't keep it for much time, for I can break my subwoofer on this amp. And now go to 20 hertz. Now on 10 hertz. Now 1 hertz. Oh my gosh, this sound is like microwave. Okay, I want to see if this thing is on other amp. Yeah, it is still here. That's bad for me, I think. I don't know how precise our measurements made with this thing. Now I let it run by capacitors. Okay, I kinda don't like the measurements with this multimeter. Simply for thing that I can't really measure the values from my amplifier, but for a normal use with normal conditions and normal AC and DC current, it should be working properly fine. And I want to bring here other multimeters, and they will be what I can find now in this house. They are pretty old, by the way, and I don't even know from where are they, but I don't use that multimeters now. And I want to make a small comparison between that ones and this one that I bought. Actually, today arrived to me, so yeah, I will bring another ones. Okay, here I have another one which broke contacts here, but it should work on voltage. So this one should be measuring maximum 1000 volts on DC and maximum 700 volts. Actually, I will set to 7. Okay, it says here high voltage and here don't appears. I want to measure firstly on this thing the current from. I need a socket for this. Okay, here I have this socket now. I will plug this thing in to see what voltage I'm getting on this one. Wait. Okay, it should be fine. Now let's bring this new multimeter, and yeah, I know this is not an accuracy measurement for it should be compared to a fully new or fully functional or maybe professional other multimeter, but I don't have access to that equipments. That are just what I can find here. Okay, it's set it to AC, and now let's measure the voltage. Okay, it's on voltage. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of the same thing. So probably this one is working fine underneath this tape from here. I don't have any load, I think, to measure that fine voltage drops, but actually I can see some fine difference, like 0.2 volts on it. But now let's just power on my amplifier just without any music on it to see if there is any voltage drop. I kinda like this buzzing from it. So yeah, this is the video now. I don't have anything to test with this multimeter now, and I hope you liked it. I don't have any other ways to test it. For now I don't have any load to measure with it, and I'm not interested that much now to measure some transformers with it. So I will say that it works, it is good. And now probably if you want, I will do a video, an update video in the future with it to show, actually, yeah, show to you how this will perform over time. But I really want to get my old multimeter back, actually back only for measuring things like audio amplifier and some transformers powered by my audio amplifier. For I don't want to bring this thing to measure that things for yeah, probably some damages from that measurements on the other one, and I really want it back. What's wrong with my laptop now? It crashed straight into my face, or the internet is that a problem? Okay, I don't know. I have the video opened in my browser on YouTube that I wanted to play later this video, some music, some chill music, and it stopped working suddenly, somehow.